Let's get down there.
Welcome to my fortress of solitude.
Not a lot of solitude these days.
We were able to get the help we needed, Man of Steel.
It was terrifying! Ooh, love that outfit!
I love yours.
I hope you can help us out of this.
I hope so too.
Oh no, there's two of all of them!
You're just in time. The crystal is ready.
Green Lantern. It's so good to see you.
Not now, Sapphire. The owners of those batteries are right behind us.
And they're going to want to fight. All we have to do is make sure that crystal is at the center of it.
So we don't need these after all?
Hold it right there, Sinestro.
So, the final battle will be here, over your puny world, Green Lantern.
It really is puny.
Guys, you need to get the rest of the lanterns to focus their energy here.
Oh, hurry! I don't know how much longer I can hold off Sinestro!
I'm here to take back what's mine. And everything is mine! Give me back my shiny! Where is it? Where's my shiny?
Good. He's firing his beam. Try and get him to direct it towards the focal point.
What's happening? What have you done?
You weak, pathetic fools! I've come for my power battery!
I don't think so. Watch out, team. He seems a little grumpy. In position. Grundy, now.
Grundy got you! What are you doing? Get away from me!
Fire his laser into the middle, Grundy. Quickly.
is pulling all your energy through the crystal.
It's working, Batman!
What a wasted trip!
Superman! Are you alright?
Oh no. Is Superman dying? How will I ever go on? I'm sorry. I just couldn't keep that up anymore. Oh, boy.
Look at you with the jokes, cutting in on my action. With these bozos occupied, let's go make you president.
Good idea.
Looks like everyone's back to normal.
Wait, how do they get out of the cage?
Should we go capture them?
It's not them I'm worried about. Flash, check on Brainiac.
Batman?
Brainiac escaped.
Yeah, how'd you know? We have to destroy his ship.
Before you attack me, you may want to know that I took 2 cities on my way here. Gotham and Metropolis. Surrender now, or risk their destruction.
You digital fiend, there's millions of people in there.
Batman?
Not now, Robin.
But Batman? Just look.
Robin, not... Uh-oh.
What happened? Did the Earth shrink again?
No, not really.
Behold the engine of your destruction, Earthlings.
Brainiac is our ruler. Kneel before him.
I told you we needed to worry about him going bad.
Where's all that kryptonite when you need it? I never thought it would come to this. Batman versus Superman. Where's that kryptonite when you need it?
I just realized. The Batcave was shrunk along with Gotham City.
And the kryptonite was in the Batcave? Perfect.
We need a distraction to buy us some time. Maybe I can call for backup.
what I call some serious backup.
Quickly, we need to send those bats towards Superman.
We did it! Now what?
As long as Brainiac doesn't send more of his minions to attack us, we should be able to.
Attack my minions! Attack!
Oh, you were saying?
You fools! Nothing can stop me now! No one can stop the mighty Brainiac! No one!
Bad news, team.
This is my world now! I'm beginning to admire your magnificent stupidity.
Let's get to work. We can build something to generate the power we need.
You got it. Let's hope this works.
It's ready. Quickly, charge at the power flash.
Quickly, as if there was any other way to do it. Time for some serious speed.
Sorry, Superman. This might sneak a little. It's working.
Oh boy, it didn't work.
Yeah, I see that.
So that means it wasn't the electric shock that broke you out of the mind control. It was my speech!
Really thought it was the shock.
I've made this trip like 4 times today. Flash, what's going on?
Superman's gone bad.
Wow, just like Batman predicted.
Now, destroy the one called Batman first.
Superman, wait. We don't fight each other, we're a team. Today I thought Robin might be hurt. It scared me to think about that. It was the first time I let myself be scared in a long while. And it scared me because he's my friend. And you are too.
Sorry. Really sorry, everybody.
This is not fortuitous.
Forget the apologies. Get Brainiac.
Well, that seems like everything.
Unless you want to stay that size, we also need the shrink ray.
Oh, right.
You were right, Robin. Thank you.
Well, what means the most to me is just being your friend. But being right is definitely a close second.
So, what do you think? Well, how about this?
President Lex,
I told you I didn't want to be disturbed.
people out here demanded to see you.
Oh, shoot.
I have to say, this is more my speed than that Oval Office.
But as usual, we've ended up with nothing to show for our efforts.
Hey, it could be worse. Our cell could be as small as that guy's.
This bottle will not hold me forever!
He really does look ridiculous.
Hello? I hope somebody called my wife. I will destroy those pathetic Earthlings.